I thought this week I would show you one of the newest add-ons for Smart Notebook collaborative learning software, Smart Notebook Math Tools. I put a link to the 30-day trial in the bottom bar, so if you want to follow along you can download and install that now. Once you have it installed, you'll see this toolbar in Smart Notebook software, and I'm going to go over each button and a couple of things you can do with each of the tools. The first button is the Equations button, and it allows you to create equations on the Smart Notebook page. You can use these formulas to teach algebra, statistics, trigonometry, and other concepts. Once you write out the formulas, you can right-click on them to simplify them symbolically, find the extrema, or find the zeros. The next button is the Irregular Polygons button, and it allows you to create irregular polygons. When you select this tool, you can click on the page to create the points of the polygon. Keep clicking to create each point, then click the first point to finish the shape. Next to that button is the Regular Polygon button, which allows you to create regular polygons with up to 15 sides. You can select the drop-down menu on these, or any shape, to show the vertices, interior angles, and side lengths. When these values are visible, it's easy to show the relationship between them. The measurement tools are next. This provides access to rulers, compasses, and protractors. These allow you to create straight lines, arcs, and perfect circles. The protractor tool can even draw angles for you. The next button is the Graph Table tool. This tool allows you to create a table on the page where you can enter values into it like you would with any other table, but when you're done with it, you can automatically generate a graph using the values in the table. When you add more values to the table, the graph automatically updates to reflect the new information. This leads us to the Graph tool, which allows you to create a graph using a wizard or select from 3 different types of graphs. Once the graph is on your page, you can add points by double-clicking on the graph. You also have several options on the bottom of the graph to change its appearance, to label it, or zoom in and out. The last button opens the Texas Instruments calculator if you have that installed on your computer. So I know that was a really fast look at some really powerful tools, but there are more in-depth training videos available. I put the link to those in the bottom bar. So that's it for this week. If you haven't watched my last 2 videos, they're here. And unless there's any questions, class dismissed.